Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Welcome back to another video. Today's video I will upgrade SSD in ASUS X454L laptop. I will upgrade the SSD but the old hard drive will remain in the laptop. In this video I will upgrade the SSD, where to put the hard drive, how to open and replace the DVD-ROM bezel, carry setup and much more. Watch the video start to finish. I hope you can easily upgrade the SSD of your laptop at home. Become an expert yourself. First of all, you remove the screw from laptop. Need to get a rubber tool like this, and you have to open the three-sided lock by rubbing it like this. The top part is connected to the bottom part by two cables. One is the keyboard cables and the other is the touchpad cables. The keyboard cable came loose when opening the top part. I will also remove the touchpad cable for ease of use. I will remove the DVD-ROM and replace by the Kaddy. I will install the SSD in the same place as the hard drive. For that, I will unscrew the hard drive, unplug the USB connection that goes over the hard drive. We will remove DVD-ROM, turn it like this, it will open. Replace the Kaddy instead of DVD-ROM. We will install the hard drive inside the Kaddy. We will remove hard drive. For that, we will unscrew and turn it like this. We will open the hard drive from the case and install SSD. I will set the SSD like this, and I will put the screws in. Install it now. Now I will secure the SSD with screws. Now I will attach the USB port. Now I will install hard drive. Now I will set it on the Kaddy. tighten the screws which is provided with Kaddy. I will open the bezel of the Kaddy. I will put the bezel on the DVD-ROM on the Kaddy. The video was recently posted on my channel. You should watch it. Now I will remove the lock from DVD-ROM and use it on the Kaddy. Set it like this. Now the hard drive is ready for installation. We will mount it now. We will screw it in. It is worth mentioning here that if you install an SSD in the place of DVD-ROM and leave the hard drive in place of the hard drive, you will not able to install Windows. The hard drive place should be put in the first boot priority. The DVD-ROM should be put in the second priority. Then everything will be work properly. Now I will connect the cable. This is touchpad cable. Now I am going to plug in the keyboard cable and it's very difficult to show it. Before tightening the screws, check to make sure everything is in place. I will press the power button and pressing again and again F2 for BIOS setup, and we will go to boot option for see the SSD and HDD, and we will go BBS, press enter, and we will see here everything is okay. Hard drive, SSD, both are showing. Now we will tighten the screws. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.